Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math, question number 94. Use all the digits 4, 3, 0, 9 to form the smallest 4-digit even number. Smallest 4-digit even number that is divisible by 5. Alright, now 4-digit alright, and for all even numbers, the digit in the ones place, alright, must be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. 所有的偶数 even number， 它在它的个位一定是0、2、4、6、8。所以说我们在这个位置呢，我们必须怎么样啊？要选择的是偶数。And for numbers that are divisible by 5， 能被5整除的数字啊 ，the digit in the ones place must be 0 or 5. So 0 is placed in the ones place. All right. I repeat. 2 scenarios. 1, it's even number, so ones place must be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And for numbers divisible by 5, the ones place must be 0 or 5. Since we only have digit 0, so we place 0 in the ones place. All right. And second, to make sure it is the smallest 4-digit number, you must place the remaining 3 digits 4, 3, 9 from smallest to the largest, starting with the thousands place. So step 2, 我们为了追求什么？最小的数字，我们要把剩下来的4、3和9按从小到大的顺序，从 thousands place 从千位开始放。The smallest digit is 3, and then larger, a little bit larger than 3, 4, and the last one 9. Okay, and the final answer will be 3,490. OK， 这就是我们这一道题了。我们这道题主要涉及的是什么是 even number， and 一个数字可以被 divisible by 5， and smallest, of course, 4 digit, 4位数 for 4-digit number may not start with 0， 所以说我们的0当然也不可以放在千位，是不是？Okay, and that is all for this question. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you guys next time. This is Teacher J. Bye bye.